Morning everyone, Rick the Static Nomadic. Today's October 1st, 2018, and I'm here in Moab, Utah, which is the southeastern corner of Utah, an area that gets very little rain. As you can see on these clouds, it's coming. You can't hardly even see the tip of that mountain right there. So I would definitely say they're getting rain up there right now. And the funny thing about it is today is only at 20%. Tomorrow is when it's actually supposed to hit. And everything's secured down as best I can. The trailer wheel's blocked. And you know, we got a nice deep ravine right here for water drainage as well. This road is very hard packed, and I mean very hard packed. Of course, there's always a light dust cover on it, which is going to turn into mud, but this ground will not absorb any type of moisture real quick, that's for sure. It's all going to be a runoff. So if in the case that we get a super heavy rain, there could be a slight mud flow going here. But anyway, yesterday, actually the day before, I had to go into Moab and dump the tanks and resupply on a few things. And wouldn't you know, like I said in a previous video, that I felt like I was going to need start batteries when I put that the shift pad in. I just had a feeling that they were going down on me, and you know, I checked the specific gravity then, and they were pretty low, but I was really hoping once I got back on the road, things would get a little bit better. Well, it didn't. It actually took me about 2.5 hours to get this thing fired off. I had to actually use the little generator to get enough juice in the batteries to start the big generator to get enough juice to start the coach. And that became quite the ordeal. And of course, by the time all that happened, I got into town. Everything was closed up. Everything closes early in Moab. 9 o'clock seems to be like the ultimate cutoff time. So anyway, I dumped the tanks, got what supplies I needed, came back out here and parked and waited for the next day. Alrighty, here we go. Ended up getting batteries from CarQuest. They aren't AGMs. I wanted AGMs, but they didn't have any, and I couldn't wait any longer. The batteries were toast, so I had to get what I had to get. But they made me a good deal on them, $179 a piece, which is not bad for these 4D batteries. So anyway, we got the start battery situation taken care of. And I'm just going to hang tight and let Rosa do her thing and see what happens. And then probably be heading to Flagstaff after all of this blows through. As you can see, the cloud cover dropped a lot. In all the years I've come to Moab, I believe this is actually the first time I have ever seen it rain. Even when I lived here, Well, judging by the radar, this may be the only rain Moab actually gets out of it. Looks like a lot of it's going to stay south. Looks like Tucson's going to get it, Phoenix, Flagstaff. Haven't had any more rain. The soil's already dried up, and anyway, they're still calling for 80% tomorrow. So we'll see, but to me, the radar looks like it's going to stay south of us, I think. Well, we'll see if the Weather Channel's right about tomorrow. But y'all have a great evening. Peace out.
Thank you.